Hello, good morning. This time we will share how to buy Safemars Coin in Trust Wallet via Pancakeswap. First we click the Apps menu, then click Pancakeswap. After that, we determine how many BNB smart chains we will spend. If the coin that we are going to buy is not yet in the Pancakeswap, we can look for the smart contract on the BSC scan. In the BSC scan, in addition to copying the smart contract, we can find a lot of information about this coin, such as the total supply, how many holders and the number of transactions. Then we copy the smart contract. After that, we paste the smart contract, and we add the Safemars coin to the menu in the swap pancake. Then we can process the purchase until it's finished. After all the buying process is complete, we will get a notification. After that we return to the wallet menu, and we add the Safemars coin, so that it is in the wallet menu. Just a reminder, use money wisely, so you don't lose. Anyway, thank you for watching, and good luck.